The auto insurance. How to save money on car insurance. Having adequate car insurance is both smart and prudent, but there is no question that it adds to the expense of driving. The good news is that premiums can vary by hundreds of dollars depending on a number of factors. Review your coverage at renewal time to make sure your insurance is in step with your needs, and follow these practical steps to reduce the bottom line on your auto policy. Shop around for your car insurance. Prices differ from company to company, so it pays to shop around. Get at least 3 quotes from both different insurance companies and different types of insurance companies, that is, those that sell through their own agents, those that sell through independent agents, and those that sell directly to consumers via the phone, an app or the internet. Ask friends and relatives for their recommendations based on their experiences, and do your own due diligence by researching the company before committing. Understand auto insurance enough that you can ask a prospective insurer informed questions. Anyone you speak to should take the time to answer to your satisfaction. Remember, these are the people you will rely on if the worst happens and you need to make a claim. Keep in mind that the lowest price is not always the cheapest option. Make sure the company you choose is reputable, and that you are comfortable with the service you get from the insurance professionals you speak to. Your state insurance department or online consumer information sites may provide information on consumer complaints by company to help you choose the right insurance company for your needs. Compare insurance costs before you buy a car. Auto insurance premiums are based in part on the car's price, the cost to repair it, its overall safety record and the likelihood of theft. Many insurers offer discounts for features that reduce the risk of car theft or personal injuries, or for cars that are known to be safe. When you are comparing new or used vehicles to purchase, also research what each will cost to insure. To start, you can check safety rankings for specific models with the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety's online Top Safety Pick Ratings tool. Raise your deductible. By choosing a higher deductible on your car insurance, you can significantly lower your premium costs. Of course, be sure you have enough money set aside to pay the higher deductible in the event you have a claim. Reduce optional insurance on your older car. As a rule of thumb, if your older car is worth less than 10 times the insurance premium, having collision or comprehensive coverage may not be cost-effective. To find out whether this is true for you, check the value of your car. You can look up what your car is worth for free on websites such as Kelley Blue Book, National Association of Auto Dealers, and TrueCar. Bundle your insurance and stick with the same company. Many insurers will give you a discount if you purchase 2 or more types of insurance from them, such as homeowners and auto, or have more than one vehicle insured. Some companies offer a price break to long-time customers. There are no guarantees, so do your homework and compare costs for a multi-policy discount from a single insurer with buying your insurance separately from different companies. Maintain a good credit history. Establishing a solid credit history has many benefits, including lower insurance costs. Many insurers use credit information to price auto insurance policies. Research shows that people who effectively manage their credit make fewer claims. To be sure you are getting the good credit you deserve, it is a good idea to check your credit record on a regular basis to be sure all information is accurate. Take advantage of low mileage discounts. Some companies offer discounts to motorists who drive less than the average number of miles per year. Low mileage discounts can also apply to drivers who carpool to work. Ask about group insurance. Some companies offer reductions to drivers who get insurance through a group plan from their employers, through professional, business and alumni groups, or from other associations. Check with your affiliated organizations to see what they offer. Seek out other discounts. There are other discounts that your insurer may offer to policyholders. For example, some companies offer discounts to those who have not had any accidents or moving violations during a specified period, or who have taken a defensive driving course. If there is a young driver on your policy who is a good student, has taken a driver's education course or is away at college without a car, you may also qualify for a lower rate. Ask your insurer what discounts you might qualify for, but keep in mind that what is important is the final cost of your policy. A company that offers few discounts may still be able to give you a lower overall premium price. 5 tips to make sure you choose the right policy for you. 1. Know your options. It pays to shop around, so get quotes from a few insurance companies before you make your decision. If you want to know about a company's record in your area, consider contacting your state insurance department or the National Association of Insurance Commissioners. You can also get more information from consumer guides and local insurance agents. 2. Do not make assumptions about what is covered. For example, flood and earthquake coverage are not part of most standard policies, so be sure they are included if you need them. On the other hand, confirm that you are not paying for insurance that you do not need before you commit to a policy such as flood insurance if you do not live in a flood zone. Expensive personal property, such as jewelry and computers or other electronics, may require additional loader policies. Find out what any policy includes, or does not include before you sign up. 3. Compare apples to apples. When you are evaluating prices, consider making a chart that spells out exactly what is covered under each policy. You may find that the reason that one policy is a little cheaper is because it does not offer as much coverage or the same kinds of coverage as another policy, or because it has a higher deductible. You should also look at the maximum amount that each policy will cover, then, consider all the details and determine which one offers the best value for your needs. 4. Consider a higher deductible. The deductible is the amount you must pay to cover damages before your insurance kicks in. The higher the deductible, the lower your monthly insurance premiums will likely be. The risk is that you will have to pay more of the costs from your own pocket up front if damages occur. You can lower that risk by taking proactive steps, such as installing storm shutters if you live in a hurricane zone, or replacing faulty wiring or aging plumbing, for example, to try to minimize your expenses if a disaster occurs. 5. Ask about discounts. Some insurers offer discounts for safety steps you have taken, such as installing an alarm system, smoke alarm, or better locks. When you buy a home, you may be able to get a better deal too, if it has newer electrical, heating and plumbing systems, or even if it is near a firehouse or fire hydrant. Retired people may get lower premiums, and your employer or professional or other organization may have programs that offer reduced insurance costs. You may be able to get a good package deal, as well, if you buy both home and auto insurance from one company. Some companies also offer longevity discounts for customers who have been with them for a few years. Be sure to ask which discounts you may qualify